Hello, welcome to another video. My name is Javi. Thank you for joining me once again, and I hope you're having a very beautiful day today. If it's your first time watching, welcome. As I said, my name is Javi, and what we're doing here is allowing ourselves to discover our true self, our true divine entity that is always present, and peeling away the personal self, the identification, so that we will always be in peace, that we will always be experiencing love, and that we will always be experiencing bliss and just the beauty of what life has to offer in this world, so you don't miss anything. That's what we're doing, discovering our true self so that we are alive, so that we are here, and that we are always naturally flowing and creating the best outcomes, the best possibilities, and you always functioning at your fullest potential without being distracted or limited or in any type of way hindered with any type of fear or doubt or anything. Just fully 100% your true self, seeing the world in its true form, and just allowing life to flow. That is what we're doing. So in this video, I just want to do a simple exercise. Very simple. Very simple. And what it's going to do, it's going to just allow you to capture and expose the subtle ways the mind comes in. So as you are your true self, your pure awareness, the mind will find ways to take you into its world and you to identify with it and play the role it wants you to play. That's what's been going on for thousands of years. So this exercise, I'm just going to ask you one question, and we will expose the mind, and we will be able to just stay the true self. The one question: what do you need right now? Now, before you answer, just ask, what do you need right now? Do you see what we're doing here? I ask this question because you will notice that there is an experiencer, and then there is this other person voice in your head that says you need this. When I asked you that question, immediately most of you probably said, oh, well, I need food, I need air, I need money, I need someone to love me. So many things probably popped up in your life. What do you need in your life? So obviously within the mind, the way it comes in, it tells you these things that you need. And that's how you're living life. Oh, I need this, so therefore I'm gonna go do this. I need to go get food, to go get shopping, so I can get nourishment. I need, to go to work, to make money, to pay this bill. I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. So when I ask this question, what do you need? The mind usually is always the one that's always going to answer and what's going to tell you. Now, there was two people there in your experience. There's always two people. There's you, the present observer, your true self, that observes the voice telling you what you need so you can act on it. That is your true self. And then there is the voice telling you what you need. So when I asked, what do you need? It was an opportunity. That was the exercise. The exercise is for you to be aware of that mind, that voice that tells you you need this, you need that, and you need this, and you need that. So just now that you see it, now that you see the mind, the subtle ways of the mind, you can just stay present and observe it. You don't have to answer to it. You really don't need anything. And I know the mind's gonna say, but I do, but I don't, but, and you're gonna continue for the rest of the day, the rest of the week, the rest of the month, the rest of your life, the rest of many lives, playing this role of I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that, when the truth is that you do not need anything. I do not need anything. Everything that we truly need is already provided within the universe. And let me tell you a couple things. You may say, well, I need to breathe. Well, how the universe provides it is it just naturally happens. You're not consciously trying to breathe, right? Now, you need your heart to pump blood. Now, you're not consciously trying to do that every moment either. Your heart just naturally does that, right? When it comes to food, it is the same thing, or getting energy. You can get energy from the sun. You can just earth, like grounding into the earth. There's so many ways. Now, I'm not a doctor, and I'm not going to tell you how to actually get in the specifics of nourishing your body. But these are my experiences of how I get my energy. And yes, I consume food, obviously, but there is things that you can do to nourish energy from the divine essence that is everywhere. Energy is everywhere. If we were tapped into it, you would naturally already have a lot of energy. The situation that happens while you feel like you don't have energy is because of all the energy you waste. So it's not so much that we need energy, it's more that we need to stop wasting our energy. That's really what's going on. So being more efficient with our energy is the real thing that we should practice. So when I asked, what do you need? It was just an opportunity for you to sit back and stay observing. Now, don't identify with the mind of, I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. You want to just stay in the observer state that observes this mind that tells you you need all these things. And therefore, you're always a slave to those needs. You're always trying to do, you're always trying to go, you're always trying to survive, and this and that, and this and that. And that's been like that for thousands of years. And we have an opportunity now to stop that flow, to stop that. And the things that you truly need will be provided. Or like I said in my last video, you will intuitively get guided to those solutions, those things that you do need naturally in the flow of life. You will naturally gravitate to the things you need to do. And, you know, the things that are for you will be given to you by the universe or God. You know, God will bless you with all these things. God will always provide for you. It has everything, like telling you, here it is, here's everything, you know. And we're like, oh no, I don't want to accept that. I want to believe my mind and go try to do all these things to get the things that I need, versus just going the direct, simple route. It's like the pursuit of happiness. You know, so many people are doing millions of things and billions of things to be happy, when they can just simply be happy without any external things or any external accomplishments or achievements or whatever. You can simply allow yourself to rest in the vibration of happiness. And being happy, it doesn't matter that you don't have nothing, you don't need anything to be happy about. You can just be happy. And that's the point. You can just be. You don't need to have all these external things happening for you to feel like you are alive and happening. Now, I know it's going to be a consistent battle with you, your present self, and your mind, but it is that simple. And continue to just practice you just staying observing of that mind that tells you, oh, I need to go do this, I need to go do that, I need to go do this. Those are opportunities for you to be like, no, that's just you, mind. I see what you're doing, and no, not anymore. I'm gonna stay present. I'm gonna stay clear. I'm gonna already be in peace. I'm already at love. I'm already thriving. I'm already full of life and all the blessings that I need. The true things that I need will be provided for me as I'm flowing in my life, as I'm living this life, as I'm just experiencing life. And that's how it happens. You will naturally be at the right place at the right time. You will be talking to the right people at the right place. You will just naturally start to become synchronistic with all your life, and everything just starts to make sense from your true self's perspective, and it's not so in your mind doubting everything anymore. And you will be in peace. You will begin to thrive. I know you can do this. I know you will do this. If you've been watching these videos, I know you're about to make this biggest change. If anything, you probably already made so much progress in peeling away all these layers of your conditioning, and that's why you're watching these videos, because you've been gravitated to here. Your heart propelled you to click on this video, and that's exactly the proof right there. That's the proof right there that it's happening already in you, that you are naturally flowing to be where you need to be, to hear what you need to hear. I get that so much, where people are constantly commenting, not just on like YouTube, but other social media that I have, that they're like, oh my God, this is exactly what I needed to hear at the right time. So many times. And it just starts to happen like that because now you're in the frequency that you are supposed to be in, and not so much in the mind and the ego self and, all of that type of world and whatnot. So I love you guys. Blessings. Namaste. Continue to shine your light. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Just continue to like really, really, really nurture your light, your love, your heart, and trust yourself. Trust yourself. When you need to say that one word to that one person, say it. When you need to go on that walk, go on that walk. Follow your intuition. It is very important. And when the mind starts to, you need this, you need that, you need this, you need that, just observe it. Just observe it. Just observe it, and just continue to observe it until it just becomes, background, kind of subtle, whatever, and it has no effect on you, and you are fully strengthened to be here always. Love you guys. Peace be with you. Namaste.